Finally, the sun's shining. Welcome guys, Skypilot here. I've got my HG LRC recent build of the Sector 5 here. Today's video is jumping ahead into the future. I'm going to have a fly of these awesome new MEPS motors. These are the space motors, the SZ2306. I've got some Azure props on here. Attached them to my HG LRC Sector quad here. I have got a build which you probably saw at the start of the video, just showing how I've attached my Walksnail Avatar setup to this quad, running a 5S, so stay tuned for that video. I just actually want to get this up. This is going to be its maiden flight. I'm going to see how these MEPS motors go. This is a MEPS video. If you haven't heard of the MEPS brand, please have a look below. They've got some really nice motors. They've kindly sent me the Space 2306. I think it's going to complement this quad really well. Plenty of different types, plenty of different sizes to cater for all of your quads. So if you could check them out, that would be awesome, and I'll let you know how they fly shortly. Like I said, the other videos are going to be of my Walksnail Avatar build. I do have HD0. I've just started flying with the Walksnail Avatar, so plenty of comparison videos coming up soon as well. Enough chit chat. It's good to see you. I'm just going to take it out over there around that crane, get a bit of Avatar footage, and just see how these motors cruise. Like I said, I'm not going to do too much. I don't really want to go walking onto someone's block to retrieve this, and I certainly don't want to damage the kit I've just put in, so it's going to be a nice slow steady fly. Okay, let's get that GPS locked in and let's get up in the sky. This is going to be good. I've got my trusty H takeoff pad. If it looks homemade, it's because it is homemade. So in case you guys aren't too sure, just quickly, this is the setup I've got here. The SkyZone 04X's sporting the Walksnail Avatar. Simple HDMI input. Factory antennas on the top there. I know you can improve those, so according to SD, really nice. And just in case you're not too sure of my radio, if you haven't seen any of my other videos, it's very windy here. This is going to be a bit of a problem. Radio Master TX16S, TBS Crossfire, good to go. Like I said guys, sorry it is a bit windy. The MEPS motors are going to be earning their money today. We'll just see how we get along. So I do have these Azure props which do have a fair bit of kick. Okay, it looks like we're recording. There are some power lines to my right, so what I will do is just take it really easy and fly nice and low, straight ahead towards that crane. And look, I suppose the main purpose of this video is to, just feel how those props perform. It's a massive tailwind guys, so this will be a good test for the props. Not available, that's okay. Sort of hovering around GPSs and no GPSs. Oh, it's very windy guys. Just going to do a couple of little hops around. These motors feel really smooth folks, really smooth. I'm fairly certain we're going to have plenty of punch as well. You can see, oh! You can see how close I got to those power lines then. Yeah, look, when you've been flying for as long as me, you know, do rely on skill to get you out of trouble. Like, no, sorry, that's just sheer fluke. I have no idea how I did that. I actually went through those power lines. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, yeah, motors are really good. I don't even give very much stick, and they are off and at them. Let's get a bit of height so we can clear those power lines. Okay, we're not going to get any fail safes. I don't think we're going to have any moments where my quad just, oh, it's really windy here, guys. Oh, I'm having so much trouble going back to home. Big bowl of water there. Okay, I better factor that into my power supply. 250 meters from home. Let's have a, oh, look at the quad, she's getting flung around a fair bit. It's really windy, guys, but I really want to test out these MEPS motors and this build. Some machines down there. It's too choppy. I'm getting chopped around now, and I'm not even sure that I'm going to be able to get back again. I might land at that dump truck. No. Let's see if we can get a little bit of shelter around these buildings over here. Try and come home the long way. What's our flight time here? About 4 minutes. Yep. Sorry guys, it's yeah, the weather's just started to get a little bit windy. Not cool. It's okay. We'll go for a bit of a sightsee anyway. 18.6. First impressions anyway, if I could just sneak in. I know this is a MEPS Motors video, but I'll just sneak in and talk about the Walksnail Avatar. Yeah, wow, really good. Like I said, plenty more videos and reviews, explanations and builds of that, so smash on that thumb, that'd be awesome. And I think I'll just come back for a little bit of line of sight and try not to hit those power lines. Right, there's a car going up. Just make sure they don't follow. You can hear those motors, they sound really nice. Looking forward to doing a range test off this Avatar as well. I think our motors are certainly going to be up to the task of a nice range test, that's for sure. Yeah, those stinking power lines. Alright, let's bring it home. About 5 minutes flying. Really good. Okay, chop chop chop. It's a bit windy up there. Really pushing it, guys. I know I may sound calm, but I'm not. Like I said, yeah, I've taken a bit of time to build this, so I'm pretty careful of it. How it goes. Okay, let's land away and quick little line of sight to finish off. Looking good. Very impressed. Nice, smooth motors, guys. Really smooth. Yeah, success, guys. A really nice maiden flight. I am going to be doing lots more flying of this quad. There, the power lines there that I nearly hit. Yeah, MEPS space motors. They look really nice. They sound really nice. I'm pretty sure they are really nice. Only slightly warm. Wasn't a huge flight. I didn't do very much punching. I think these complement this sector 5 really well, folks. Text and specs are below. I'm really glad I didn't hit those stinking power lines. I'm not too sure how I got out of that one, but I might, yeah, might chuck some slow-mo up on that. It's going to be interesting. Whoops. Lots of fun. It's good to be flying again. See you guys soon. MEPS, check them out. Bye for now.